and updating and deleting the data of existing students. So basically, this application performs functions like inserting, updating, and deleting the information and organizing the data in a organized way. So whenever the user want to fetch it and access it, they can easily do it. We'll move to the next slide where we'll talk about the advantages of this application. The first advantage is increase in efficiency. So the student management system helps in increasing the efficiency by reducing the amount of money and time consumptions by providing an easy interface and giving them a leniency over the old file system. And the second thing is improved accuracy. The student management system helps in reducing errors by providing them a centralized server. A centralized server is the application that we get. So by giving them a centralized server so that the user can easily control and manage data. The other thing is enhanced security. So as you all know, in student management security, the data of students is very important. So whenever you are talking about security, there are two most important features that an application needs, which is the user authentication and data encryption. So this application provides user authentication and data encryption as well. The next thing is improved in communication. So whenever a professor wants to communicate with their students, in old system they don't have enough. It takes a lot of time. But if you use this system, you can easily communicate with many students at once. You can communicate with number of students. Moving to the next slide, we have the background, or you can say platforms we use to make this application. First, the above one is XAMPP. XAMPP is basically, in simple words, is a tool that we use to open MySQL on web page, so that whenever you create a database on MySQL, you can easily connect it with a web page or web application. The below three are the CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. I don't think so that I have to elaborate it. It is used for creating web applications, web pages, and websites. So this is the basic code. This is the starting of the queries we use to make the database and to connect the database with the web application we make. This is the starting, this is the ending of the code. Now from here, let's continue the presentation.
Well, this is what our basic interface looks like. There are 5 different pages. The first one is home, the other one is about, third one is contact, fourth, admin, fifth student, and this is from here you can log in. And this is what our login page basically looks like. The login page is same for both the admin, like teachers and the principals, and for the students it looks like same too. And after logging in, this is what the first impression a person gets. This is basically a dashboard, and it includes total classes, total students, total classes notice, and total of the courses. There are 7 different tabs. The first one is dashboard, and there is class, the third one is students, fourth one is notice, fifth public notice, pages, code, and the last one is known as search. And from this is here we can add students to the dashboard, right? And this includes some basic information of student and parent guardians, and in the end, username and password is assigned to the student. Okay, so in conclusion, basically student management system helps to reduce the time and money of the school and staff. It also helps staff to work more on their learning and on their time on students rather than managing data manually on registers and on other places. I do think so. Everything is clear, and if you have any queries, I would love to get that. Thank you so much.
So as this was great for a presentation. If any of you have any query regarding the presentation, you guys can ask.
आप डेटाबेस के एस्पेक्ट से अपने जो इंटरफेस को समझा
So yeah, according to database, these are the forms, or you can say the screen or tabs, and which in each tab in each tab you have different tables. Like if you go for the students, then you click on the manage student. There are different tables like student name, student email, and student classes. These are their attributes, or you can say their tables, in which you will insert the information. So any question further?
क्या मतलब इसका बेसिक पर्पस क्या है, क्या बेनिफिट्स
इसका basic purpose-
को स्टूडेंट्स को क्या
इसका
बेनिफिट?
बेसिक पर्पस ये है कि पहले के टाइम पे या अभी भी काफ़ी जगहों पे फाइल सिस्टम यूज होता है। तो फाइल सिस्टम जो एक हेक्टिक जॉब है, उसमें आपको अपडेट करने में, आपको स्टूडेंट की न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन डालने में एक बंच ऑफ फाइल्स बनानी पड़ती हैं। बट व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टूडेंट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, ये ऑटोमेटिकली आपके सारे टास्क परफॉर्म कर देता है। आपको इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती एज कम्पेयर टू फाइल सिस्टम।
So in other words, basically ये हमारा टाइम और मनी दोनों बचा रहा होता है कि इसमें रजिस्टर जो फाइल वगैरह नहीं खरीदनी पड़ती हैं, और साथ ही साथ जो हमें सारी चीज़ें साथ ही साथ अपडेट भी करनी पड़ती हैं, तो हमारा टाइम और मनी और एनर्जी सारी चीज़ें से बचेगी।
तो हमें मेंशन करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे डेली बेसिस की रूटीन पे जो रजिस्टर से मेंशन करते हैं यहाँ पे मेंशन करते हैं।
नहीं,
देखिए यहाँ पे
आपको जो टास्क परफॉर्म करना है आप वही इसमें परफॉर्म करें। आपको मेंशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है। वो मेंशन खुद ब खुद एक डैशबोर्ड में आपके पास लिस्ट बनती है ऑटोमेटिक।
टाइम में टेबल्स खुद बनाने पड़ते हैं, तो यहाँ पे टेबल्स के खुद बन के आते रहेंगे, तो इससे हमारा टाइम भी बचेगा।
टेबल में खुद ही मेंशन करना होगा।
टाइम एंड एनर्जी
वो
वो
भी
सारी
किसी और से करवा देना।
पहले आपसे करवाना।
So yeah, this was it for the presentation. Those who haven't given their presentation yet, best of luck to you guys. Thank you so much.